1957 Chevy and 95% built by whatever, can't see, 100% amateur, by 100% amateur. There you go. That's one way to do it. They got this music playing in the background. I'm like, I don't want to play this stuff. And I'm like, God, I don't even like it back then. I don't like it now. So it's supposed to be nostalgic. Anyway, it's freaking. You can't put it on YouTube too. I'm trying to talk over it. So anyway, another one I didn't like back then was the Beatles. The latest record from the Beatles. Who cares? It's better conditioning people. But look at this thing, man. Baby blue, white, and look at those. Look at these hubcaps. These hubcaps are better than any kind of custom wheels you can install. They look better. These are really cool looking, man. I don't know where the hell you got these things from, but those are nice looking hubcaps, especially with the wide white walls. And this thing's been lowered. It's been lowered. I personally wouldn't do that to a truck, but I guess it would makes a lot more sense if you're driving on the highway. But to me, I wouldn't raise it or lower it. I like pretty much stock height, or maybe an inch or two higher. That's about it. That's just my style. But I love this thing. Love the color. I like the way it's set up and everything. And I like these three deuces in it with AC too. Yeah. Let's get a little bit further back here. There's that, huh? It's a nice sweet looking truck for sure. Yeah.